I see is blessings. Got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life. It's only.
Hey guys, welcome to another cooking video. So in today's video, I'm going to be making groundnut soup. Have not made groundnut soup in my life before, but we are going to see how it turns out. I don't know if they use this type of groundnut to make the groundnut soup or the one they've not processed at all. This one they've processed it, so I'm not sure, but we'll see how it turns out. So guys, if you're new here, welcome to the family and you want to stay to the end of this video. So guys, let's start. So guys, for the groundnut soup, I'm using beef, boneless, and pomo for the soup. So I'm just going to boil it now. Guys, I just want to roast the groundnuts now. I'm a bit scared because this is my first time of making this soup. I'm just scared. I hope it turned out well. I don't want to cook spoil though. Hey. I just hope it turned out well. I'm just roasting it now, then I'll blend it. After roasting, I'm going to blend it. My meat is still on the fire. The boneless is wrong. I would have used my pressure pot to cook it. The boneless is still very much strong, so the meat is still on the fire. I just want to roast this, then put it in the blender and blend. Most people do use oziza seed, but I don't have oziza seed. So what prompted me to make this groundnut soup is because I have some groundnut at home. That's why I decided to try this. Like, okay, I've not made groundnut soup before. Let me see if I can get it. Most videos I've been seeing online, they do use oziza seed, so I don't know. I only have the groundnut, so I'm just going to use just the groundnut. I pray that this soup turn out well. Let it be eatable at least, even though it didn't turn out well, but at least it should be sweet. Oh my god, it's okay now. Let me just off this, then yeah, let me blend it now. Check the meat. Guys, I got it. I'm a chef now, no doubt. This was my first time of making groundnut soup, and it came out splendid. It came out well, you know. So now it's just for me to make my candle and start eating. And if you watched this video up to now and you've not clicked the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and like this video. I'm going to make this cooking video a series, so you're going to be seeing a lot of cooking video from my channel, so please make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.